Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a button over a text in Elementor. So firstly what you have to do is just simply go to your Elementor website, and as you can see I have already created a new page where I'm going to show you how you can do this. So as you can see I have already created a new page where I'm going to show you how you can add a button over an image. So firstly just simply click on edit with Elementor to go to the Elementor editor. Now, after you are in the Elementor editor, just simply click on the plus icon over here and choose the two boxes structure over here. Then just simply copy the structure and paste it again. Now you have four different type of structures. So now what you have to do is just simply click on the center plus icon and add image onto that box. Do this for all of them. Now after adding the image box, just simply add few images. So for doing that, just simply click on this choose image icon over here. By selecting this image, go over here and click on choose image. Then if you have the image in your system, you can just simply click on select file and upload that directly from your computer. Or you can just simply go to insert from URL. If you have uploaded somewhere and you just want to paste the URL, it is also possible. Or there is few more methods if you want to add image. Go to insert media and then go to media library. Over here you will find few images. Or you can just simply go to Envato elements, and over here again you will find more image. But for getting the Envato elements over here, you will need to download the Envato plugin from the plugin side. So I will be taking images from media library. So just simply choose any image. Let's go with this one first. Then after clicking on the image, you don't have to do anything over here. Just simply click on insert media and the media is inserted. Now do this for all of them. After you've added your images, the next thing that you have to do is just simply click on the side panel over here. Then just simply scroll down and click on button, or just simply drag it over an image like this. Now just simply adjust the button and modify it just by clicking on the button. Then go to the custom and over here change the settings for the button. Let's call it room. Over here you can change the name of the button, what you want your viewers to see over here before they click. You can also change the type of the button over here, and you can also attach a link to the button, meaning when your viewer clicks on the button, where do you want them to go? You can also attach that side over here. Then you can also change the alignments if you want it in the center, all over it, or just in the right or left. You can do that over here. So let's go with the justified version. Then you can change the size, and if you have any icon for the button, you can also upload that, or you can just simply go to icon library and get an icon from there. Let's go with this one. Then click on insert and the icon will be inserted. You can also change the positioning of the icon like this. You can also change the icon spacing. Now after making all the changes over here, just simply go to style. Now over here you can change the typography of the text over here, like font, size, width, transform style, and etc. If you want a shadow on your text, you can do that as well. As you can see over here like this, when I take my mouse, because I just now made that happen. So if you want to change that, you can do it over here. Now you can also change the color of the background, or if you want to make it transparent, you can also do that as well. You can also change the border type. as a solid, doubled, dashed, or groove, whichever you may like. So I'll just simply go with the default one. Now you can enter border radius over here. You can change it by the lever over here, just by holding on your left click and changing the positions from up and down. You will see the number increasing and decreasing and the border appearing and disappearing on the button. You can also do this for the padding as well. Now, when you're satisfied with your button, what you have to do is just simply copy this and paste it on all the photos like this. And now just simply again click on the button to change the name, like room 2, for this room 3, and for this one room 4. You can attach different types of links for all the buttons, and after that, when you're done with the button, just simply click on publish. Now if you go and check on your website, it should be completely functionable. So as you can see over here, it's completely functionable buttons. Now that's how you can add buttons in Elementor. Now for some reason, if you want the buttons to be on top of the image, so for doing that, just simply again go back to the Elementor editor, then just simply click on the button. Now just simply go to the advanced section over here. Now for getting the button on top of the image, just simply give minus margin, like let's say 100 minus 100. So as you can see, now it is on top of the image. Now to adjust the size, just simply scroll down, come to transform. Over there you will find scale, click on the pencil icon and then adjust the scale accordingly. Now for the text, go back to your style option, go to typography and increase the size of the text. Just like that. Now just simply again copy this and paste it over all of the images and delete this one. And again give the names, room 2, room 3, and for the last one room 4. And after doing that, just simply click on update. And now when you again go back to your site and click refresh, you will see it is now on top of the images and fully functional. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.